Where are we going today, John?
I don't know.
Mark.
What?
Where are we going today?
Don't know.
Right, we're going to Matlock Bath.
Going to Matlock.
Everybody, John, come here. Now tell us where we're going today.
Matlock.
We're going to Matlock, everyone. Every two. We're chancing the weather, we're doing it, and the weather doesn't look good.
Even though we should have been going to Devil's Bridge.
Yeah, we should have been going to Devil's Bridge, but...
Which is well better than Matlock.
Well, it probably is. But, weather depending. Where would you like to go? Because whatever you decide, we won't be going there.
I can't even hear what you're saying there, Jake.
I'll have to move the mic.
I forgot. It's not Jake. It's the tumble.
Oh yeah, Mr. Tumble. Alright, Ronnie.
Wait, Jay, I can hear you perfectly though.
Can you?
Yeah?
Mark, you need to turn your volume up maybe?
No, it's not fun. It's the wind noise. As soon as you get down out of the wind noise, it's fine.
What's your wind noise like, John?
I can hear it in the helmet, but not on the headset.
And you're not wearing earplugs?
No.
Oh,
First exit, by the way.
Johnson's alright? You fucking prick.
Is there a woman or I think that one? Or a man?
A guy. Gave him the bird anyway.
Oh, he did.
I did.
You make me laugh, people like that, like you can't overtake him.
I'm proper speeding up as well.
Hey?
I'm proper speeding up as well.
Why have you got your main beam on?
Is he a big guy? He might get out and pat me now.
Right, fair enough. Why don't you send it back, Mark? What? The Cardo. I have one. Have you? Ended up just by Cardo, and then we've got an Ocado ran in front of us.
Wait, didn't you send it back and they sent you they sent it back repaired?
No, sent it back for replacement and they said they're not going to replace it, they'll get it repaired, and it's like 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Broke up, then we're all dead close together.
Yeah, but that's what I mean, John. So that one that you're using, John. Oh wait, so where's the third one? Because you had 3, didn't you?
No, you've got the third one. Well, I packed up both, duo.
Yeah.
And then I sent mine back because it didn't work, and then I bought another one.
Yeah, so, and then they sent you the repaired one, didn't they?
This guy's pulling over for you. Right to the third one.
Yeah, so you should have another one, shouldn't you?
I have, yeah, the other helmet.
Right, so that one might be a good working one. Thank you.
The only difference being, John doesn't have the update.
No, John's, because it's new, will be the updated one. So when we get back, you want to start using that one that's on the other helmet then?
No point paying all that money and then not knowing how to use it properly. Just sit down later on and read it, plus how to read it.
You can read it, you're the best reader.
There's the average camera now.
Yeah, so the average is 50, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're only doing like 30 odd. Whoa, did you get that gust off that lorry, John?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
On the top of your screen, you've got a little warning triangle in grey that says 1 hour or something.
On the sat-nav screen?
Yeah, in grey, it's got...
Oh, then I'll go back to it, I'm not on that screen. No, just it says go this way, A537 or whatever. Above that it says 26 mile, and then to the right of that.
At the top, you've got a white arrow saying A537.
Yeah.
And then above that, it's 25 miles.
Yeah.
And then there's a warning triangle with 001 hours.
No, on the right hand side of it I've got a flag and it says 12:14 PM.
Yeah, 12, 18. Don't know what the triangle is.
No, I've not got that.
It's like your warning sign. An hour ago. Tell me you've got your heating grips on now, Jay.
Yeah, you're right, I have.
Stopping there. And this.
Do you reckon we can have a wee piddle wee piddle? The old Cat and Fiddle?
Do you want to carry on or get a drink here? Get a drink, we've got time, haven't we? Yeah. Fancy taking another space up, Jay? Actually, do you think we're best coming back to these ones? That's the exit there, bike's going to get it. Come back these ones.
Oh, you're not going to take up a space by yourself?
No, just all get in there.
Yeah, I will take the second exit. Welcome to Matlock, everyone. This is Matlock. How do you feel, John, now you're in Matlock? You're like a big boy now. Yeah, feel like... How do you feel, Mark?
Probably 15 years since I've been here.
Yeah. Him, he looks like a guy called from Sonic, the bad guy.
No, that's the robot, mate.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
That guy's laughing at you, Jay.
Why?
Don't know.
He's laughing at your sports sticker.
We get petrol here.
Look at you panicking, John. I'll be alright, we'll get halfway home on this.
I won't on mine.
I've still got 47 mile.
Who's paying?
I ain't getting this fuel, it's paydays.
Supreme then.
Yeah. What's the one below that?
Mobile phone 1 disconnected.
What's all that crap?
Can you not sit on the bike, please? Do you want me to fill it up and you go in, bud?
Yeah. No, because they won't let me pay until it's done anyway. And they might have a toilets.
Let the air settle out without a minute. Fill it back up. Yeah, better do it this way.
Look at what, Mark? What are you on about? How relieved John is now getting fuel. The last final bar he was on.
Is Abraham Heights and that further up there then? Sure, which way it is? Probably.
Don't we go past there?
Oh, that's where we all pull up.
Yeah, at the bottom of it. The Abraham Heights thing.
Yeah, but I don't know where it is.
I think I've got mine set to there. I think anyway.
Pull it forward, Matt.
Don't embarrass me.
What?
Yeah, they're bloody dropping it. Cheers. Oh, bump. Let's stand it up straight. Oh, that'll do. Number 4, please.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Babe.
Say that again, sorry?
Number, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah.
61 pounds.
Alright, okay.
And look here, please.
What was he saying? I should have asked him on a date. See what he's doing tonight. Pull. I think it's right, Mark, and then maybe right again. Might have to pull over for the sat nav to start its thing. Right, wait there, John. I didn't connect to the phone.
Well, we can only try. Just go right. Just go right. You can't be right, innit?
Yeah, let's go right then. Everyone right?
Just go right. Just go right. You can't be right, innit?
Yeah, let's go right then. Everyone right? Yeah, right.
Mobile phone 1 connecting.
I left it was first left at that roundabout. Before we gone past it. Where's the Heights of Abraham?
No, it's this way. It's still 4 mile away.
Is it?
Yeah, because that's just Matlock, innit? We're going to Matlock 2's.
Where's that guy on the side of the road? No, it's faster. None of this is familiar to me though, to be fair. Yeah, but she is, isn't it? I think we should have turned left at that roundabout.
Nah. Yeah, because when you leave Matlock Bath, I'm sure you come this way, go through Matlock.
Yeah, it's not this way.
Nah, we need to pull up then because it's saying 150 yards now, turn right. 100 yards.
Matlock right. Yeah, turn round, Johnny, that's the big space there. Oh, left there. Left. I'll turn around there.
Turn left there.
After 70 yards, turn right towards Thatcher's Lane. Then turn right.
What is it, John? What have we done? Oh, I should have went in that car park and had a squirt.
Oh, you still need a piss out?
Yeah. Shall I look at the map now?
No,
No, there's someone in that car to my left. Parked up. Right, so where are we going? Straight.
Heights of Abraham.
Heights of 2's. Where was that sign? Did you see?
Can't you just type Heights of Abraham in your sat nav? Go on, let's pull out before it's truck.
Go on then, go. Oh, this is Matlock Bath, everyone. If you're looking for a space to pull in, Mark.
Just mooching, you turn around there in a minute. They park up in this car park.
On the left.
They've got a park on the front. Up there.
Oh, that's a nice bike, isn't it?
Space right there for all 3 of us.
What, hold on, Baz. I'm right next to you. I'll go back.
No, it's alright there.
Look at the size of the fishes in there. I need a wee, but it can wait a minute while I get some fishes.
Park only in Mark Bays. Yeah, you just park in there, would you?
Size of the fishes, everybody. Should we get one?
The fish?
Yeah, and put it in the back there.
That is massive, that, isn't it?
I wonder where the toilets are. There's gotta be a toilet. There you two. We had a nice chippy at the Matlock Baths. Cheesy chips and curry. Was it up to par, your chips and curry?
Alright.
Yeah. If anyone's wondering, it's average speed cameras here now on the Cat Fiddle. 50 miles an hour. Which is not very good. That's right, John. John, what you done then was you kind of leant your bum to the right hand side and then you turned your body to you kept your body in the centre. You know what I mean? So your head's still over the centre of the handlebars.
It's leaning this way, like.
Yeah. And I'm no expert. BTW. think you've nearly got rid of your right hand side turkey twizzlers there.
Ah, no chance.
Yeah. No, your left hand one, sorry. Going left arrows.
Straight on, I'm going.
Ah, right.
Gonna sneak in, you get me.
Oh, what happened then? Didn't clock into gear, did us? Hey, well, alright, yeah. I wondered where he was to then. How fast is your cruise control, John?
I'll get it on.
It's whatever speed you want it to be, innit?
Is there a BMW bike with that too, right? No, I don't think so.
Hey, go to Kate's old place in town.
Yeah, Manchester, yeah. Oh, actually, that trap, I think the trap centre one bike as well. What is there a BMW showroom there? I think so. I think they've only just done it last 2 weeks.
Do I have ganders tonight?
Yeah.
They'll be open late, won't they?
We're going go-karting tonight. Can do, yeah?
Will you be alright go-karting, Mark?
Yeah. Why get to fall off?
Don't want him falling off.
Straight on there, John. Yeah.
We've had an adventure, haven't we, John?
Yeah.
We've had a lovely adventure. Matlock got some chips, and now we're coming back just in time for the rain to stop.
Oh, but
Oh, you was going to go then, weren't you?
have a look at the 65 degrees.
Oh shit, yeah.
41 and 65.
Bloody hell.
I want that low, it's not my brain.
Scraped it. That was meant 65. You won't do it again though, will you? That's too low. You going, John? Oh, what the bloody hell happened then?
Not back, I was going to wheelie then.
Did
What, John? It felt like it was going to wheelie. It probably wasn't, the thing restricting it, putting it in.
did you see I done an endo?
Why?
I don't know.
Why,
It
man?
went to put it into third gear and it just went back into second and then into neutral and then into second again.
Take me out.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice Audi.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like those A1s.
Oh,
I like those A1s.
still let me have a test drive.
Oh. Everyone wave. Say bye. Wave.
Yeah.
Wave.
God, I'm bloody riding the motorbike.
On this straight you're waving. Bye, man. John.
Yeah?
Bye, John. Is it right here?
Yeah.
Bye, everyone.